Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RatsDAO token. Ticker symbol is RAT, R-A-T. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 4th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So at RatsDAO is their Twitter, and I'm going to put that up right here so you guys can easily find this project. On their Twitter, you can see a link to their webpage, ratsdao.club. They have a full link tree on there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They just joined in August 2023, and they have 7,795 Twitter followers already. It says RatsDAO aims to support the development of Rats inscription and build the best autonomous community for inscription in BRC-20. Now, on their link tree, you can find a link to their webpage, Twitter, Telegram groups. There's 2 of them on here, Treasury and Marketing Fund. Now, this token is being listed December 4th, 7 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search RAT, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go over to their official webpage, there's all sorts of buttons you can click here. One's roadmap, tokenomics, declaration, DAO information. So you could get this token off of Uniswap. It says buy off Uniswap if you're trying to get it prior to the MEXC global listing. You might have to set slippage though if there's taxes, and just be aware that there is going to be gas fees and could possible failed transactions that resort in more gas fees, so just be aware of that. That's why I personally prefer MEXC Global, but that is not advice. Anybody can do whatever they want. So it says, all for Rats. RatsDAO, initiated by a group of dedicated users and prominent holders within the Rats community. It aims to support the growth of Rats inscription and get it known by every crypto holder. They have links to their treasury fund, donations on the page here. It says Bitcoin, the king of crypto, Rats, the king of memes on BRC-20, eventually Rats, the king of the whole meme world. So RatsDAO, make Rats pump higher, make BRC-20 grow stronger, make members get richer. If you can't hold, you'll be a loser. If you can, spread it around every corner. As the meme king in the Bitcoin ecosystem, Rats shows greater value in comparison to memes on the Ethereum ecosystem. Due to the Bitcoin technological constraints, we cannot create RatsDAO platform on the Bitcoin ecosystem, so we built it on ETH. As known, BTC lags behind ETH in terms of users and addresses. Even BRC-20 is being so hot. It's got weird grammar on here. That means building a RatsDAO governance platform on the Ethereum network And evangelizing RATS inscriptions in Ethereum's ecosystem will be a huge opportunity which could entice more crypto users to embrace BRC-20 and embrace RATS inscriptions. So RatsDAO aims to encourage more crypto users to embrace BRC-20 RATS inscription by evangelizing the Ethereum blockchain. So they have the ETH plus BTC dual chain token model. Now there is a total supply, they say here, of 1 trillion tokens. 50% of them are issued on Ethereum and 50% are issued on Bitcoin. So they have, if you are going to buy or sell this token, it says 3% tax on each transaction, buy, sells, and maybe transfers on Uniswap, so just be aware of that. And how that's split up, 1% goes to the RATS Treasury Fund to buy back RATS inscriptions and deposit them into the Treasury. 1% for marketing funds for helping promote RATS inscriptions. And 1% added to RATS Ethereum liquidity. Now they have a roadmap starting with phase 1. List ERC-20 RAT token on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Help RATS listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko grow. Promote the RATS on blockchain media. 1,000 plus members in the RatsDAO. And harness the power of memes to captivate cryptocurrency users' interests in RATS. Phase 2 of the roadmap is going to be distribute governance token RATS. RAT to RATS inscription holders, launch the governance platform of RatsDAO community on Ethereum network, promote RATS inscriptions via planned, organized, and scalable campaigns with marketing funds. And then phase 3, be the best DAO of the BRC-20 inscriptions, then attracting ORDI, SATs, and other inscriptions users to the RatsDAO. Treasury Fund holds core BRC-20 assets such as ORDI, SATs, and RATS. And then more media exposure. It says to be the best DAO of BRC-20 inscriptions. At the very bottom of their webpage, it has links to their socials, Telegram, their Twitter. Both of those are on here. Now you could find this MEXC global listing announcement on their Twitter here with the exact date and time. And yeah, and basically, again, if you don't have an MEXC global account and you're looking to get this token, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. If you want to help support the channel, you can check out the Patreon in the description box or hit that join button or the super thanks. Also, there is a Facebook you can follow for crypto memes. That's mine in the description box as well. Check that out. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the RatsDAO and the RAT token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.